Welcome everyone. This is Nagma Miss right now, and the target audience for today's lecture is TYBMS, and the subject for the day is international marketing, and the topic which we are going to cover is predatory pricing strategy. Now, let me tell you this predatory pricing strategy fall under the subset of various pricing strategy which we have studied. Basically, it is followed by the pricing strategy and penetration pricing strategy. Now, the predatory pricing strategy is something which is very new, which we are going to learn today. So, let's get started. International marketing and Geo would be the best example. But before we get started with the example, I would like to read the definition for you guys so that you understand that what we are going to actually study about in this. Now, what is pricing strategy? What is basically predatory pricing strategy? So first of all, we need to understand that this is something which you have not heard before. Penetration, you know about. Skimming, you know about. There are a lot of many examples which are there in the market where it says where companies are following skimming pricing strategy, where companies following penetration strategy. But predatory is something which is very rare, because the reason behind it, it is something which is illegal, it is something which is risky, and it is something which is dubious, and also not certain. It is not something which is very certain, and it is not seen in very often in the market. Now, when I say Geo is one of the best example when it comes to predatory. So you will understand why Geo has to be an example of the predatory pricing strategy. So let us understand that what does a predatory pricing strategy does in itself. So it is something which sells the product or the services in a very low price, and the intention behind it is to drive the competitors out of the market. It's basically kicking out of the competitors out of your way. Okay. And also at the same time, you make such a strong barrier for any of the competitors to enter into a market. So basically, in predatory pricing marketing, you are focusing, a company is focusing on the competitors more than anything else. So Geo was one of those. I would like to start with the Geo SIM card. The Geo SIM card was one of those has followed the predatory strategy when it came into the picture. When it came into the market, they started giving the SIM cards, and they started giving the unlimited offers of data, of calling, of SMS free, unlimited things, that too free of cost. They first gave it for 6 months, then they extended the period for more than 1 year. And this is the absolute fine example of a company using predatory price. Okay, now you must have heard me saying that it is illegal, it is risky, it is dubious. So the reason why it is illegal, because it create and strong barrier, and it is something which is against the Competition Act. Hence it is kind of illegal. However, in the further PPT and in the further lecture, you're going to come about that how it is illegal and still it exists in the market. You're going to understand about this in the coming PPT. So let us understand the feature of the pricing strategy. So there are the four main basic features. Okay, the basic feature is first stands with that the price of the product is very very low. Okay, or they would charge a least price. Sometimes they don't even incur the cost which they have put into the product. So and hence it's something which requires a lot of funds. So you need to invest a lot. It's You want to enter into the market, so you need a lot of funds at the same time, because you're keeping the price of the product extremely low. Point number two here mentioned is illegal. So when I say illegal, so the moment any company which creates a strong barrier for any competitor, it is not abiding the law of Competition Act, and hence it is illegal. Now, point number three is it kills the competition. It absolutely kills the competition. Now, you must have noticed when Geo came into the picture. Now, people left all the Sims and everyone ported themselves into Geo. Most of the population did the same thing. Now, what happened over here right now? That the situation changed so much that the high prices and the high goodwill products or SIM cards like Vodafone, like Airtel, they have to bring their price down and make it equal to Geo. Now, what do you see over here? There is no competition among these four now, right now, because the price is absolutely same. So here you see, यहाँ पर there is a loss of the consumers, the loss of, because we do not have different variety to choose. We do not have different variety in terms of price to choose. Whatever you choose, you're going to get the same offer. So this is how it kills the competition, and it has a negative impact on the consumer. Now the fourth point which is mentioned over here, de facto monopoly. Now de facto monopoly is not an English word, so you just don't have to freak out over here. Just need to understand that de facto monopoly means that something which is illegal, but you have to uh, digest the fact that it exists. Okay, so it is all about that. So it is illegal having a predatory pricing strategy, which is actually very rare, but it does exist in the market. Moving ahead to advantages. Advantages. So the advantages of these predatory pricing strategy, the first advantage is it's very easy for you to penetrate in the market. Of course, when you're just charging a negligible amount of yours for the services and the product which you're offering, people will automatically get attracted towards your product and your services. Point number two is negligible competition, because you make the competition so tougher that no one has that will power or influences or that kind of funds and investment to compete against you, or either they have to bear the losses. So it's better not to bear the losses and not to enter into a market where such competitors exist already. For example, Geo. Now point number 3, the best advantage is high market share. Now Jio has a high market share in the current market. You see, that's only because they have charged so much less in the beginning when they came. Moving ahead to the disadvantages. Yes, it is there are some few disadvantages of the same. Another disadvantages are needs lots of funds. So here when you are giving a product or services for a very less price or a very low price, then you have to make sure, then it happens that you won't be able to invest in the R&D process, research and development process. You won't be able to maintain the quality of the product, and which we see in the Geo SIM card quality, and comparing with the Vodafone SIM quality is not comparable enough. It is not competitive enough when it comes to quality, but the price what they both are offering is same. So that's how it works. You must you They kept so much less price that they do not earn the high profit out from it. Second point, need a right study market. Now let me tell you, high prices or the low prices have a reflection of the quality or a illusion of the quality in the minds of the customer. So if a customer sees something is highly charged, there is a reflection, okay, it must be a good quality product. If it is low priced, then there is a the illusion comes in the minds of the customer, okay, this must not be of a very good quality. So when you charge less price, and at the same time you need to notice that it should not degrade the image of your product. So that kind of market study is required, markets research is required. Okay, so it worked very well in India because we needed a kind of product which gives us services on a very extremely low prices. But when it comes to this particular product would have not worked in developed countries. They would have rejected because it is of so much of low price. They would have not compromised when it comes to quality. Point number 3 is it is illegal, as I've explained further, that it is against the Competition Act, and hence it is illegal. That's all for today. I hope you have understood this. See you in the next lecture. Thank you. Take care.